Hello everybody. Today in this session we will discuss comparison between monopoly and monopolistic competition. I repeat the topic again. We will discuss comparison between monopoly and monopolistic competition. Now this is basically today's topic of discussion. So to understand this, we will go through the similarities and dissimilarities between the monopoly and monopolistic competition. Okay, now first here we'll discuss the similarities between monopoly and monopolistic competition. Then we'll come to the dissimilarities. To discuss the similarities between monopoly and monopolistic competition, we'll go through the some similarities like firstly, the point of equilibrium in monopoly and monopolistic competition market structure is where MC equal to MR. What I said, MC equal to MR. That is at the point where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. What I said, that the equilibrium point where marginal cost equals the marginal revenue. This is basically one important similarities between the monopoly and monopolistic competition. Then secondly, in monopoly and monopolistic competition market structure, the demand curve which is represented by average revenue curve slope downward to the right, and the corresponding marginal revenue curve lies below it. What I said, I repeat it again. The demand curve, which is represented by average revenue curve, slope downward to the right, and the corresponding marginal revenue curve lies below it. Then thirdly, in monopoly and monopolistic market structure, the equilibrium point is below the average revenue curve. The equilibrium point is below the average revenue curve. This is basically the third similarity. Then next similarity is the demand curve in both the market is not tangent to the long run average cost curve at its minimum point, indicating that there is a excess capacity. I repeat the similarity again. In monopoly and monopolistic market structure, the demand curve is not tangent to the long run average cost curve at its minimum point, indicating that there is a excess capacity. Then another similarities between monopoly and monopolistic competition market structure is that the producer can influence the price with varying degree. Therefore, it is possible for the producer to increase or decrease the price of commodities in both the market. Now, how it is, like in monopoly, we know that there is a single seller. So single seller, they can increase or decrease price, as there is no close substitute of that particular marketer. But in the monopolistic competition, what happens, there is a large number of buyer and seller. So if those large number of producers come together and they fix the price of any commodity or goods, then increasing price and decreasing price is not a very difficult task. And this kind of example we can see, like for monopoly, we can take example of TNGCL, Tripura State Electricity Corporation. Then for monopolistic competition, we can take example of the agriculture sector. In agriculture sector, like in vegetable market or in fish market, if the fish seller or vegetable seller, they come together and they can fix price. They can increase and decrease. So these are basically some similarities between the monopoly and monopolistic competition market structure. Now we'll go through the dissimilarities between monopoly and monopolistic competition market structure. Firstly, monopoly is characterized by a single seller or single producer. Just now I have given the example also. while in monopolistic competition is characterized by large number of producer or seller. This is one very important dissimilarities between the monopoly and monopolistic competition, and it is that in the monopoly single seller and single producer, but in the monopolistic competition there are large number of producers and or sellers. Then another dissimilarities is in a monopoly form of market structure there is no difference between a farm and an industry. What I said, that in a monopoly market structure there is no difference between the farm and an industry. Farms are basically industry. Say for example, Indian railroad industry, Indian railways. So there is no between Indian railway and railroad industry. But while in the monopolistic competition, there are many farms and industry is referred to as a group. For example, if we talk about the FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. Okay, fast moving consumer goods. Now in the fast moving consumer goods sector, if we talk about the soap brand, detergent brand, okay, toothpaste brand, so there are many farms into an industry. Like if we say soap industry consists of lot of soap producers. But one thing I would like to correct, like here in the first dissimilarities, I said regarding the agriculture sector, but agriculture sector is basically an example for the perfect competition. But for monopolistic competition, we can take example of the fast moving consumer goods like soap brand, detergent brands, then toothpaste brands, etc. Okay, so they are also, if all producers come together, they can fix the price, they can increase the price or decrease the price. Like in the similarities I was telling, in the last similarities, okay, last similarities, just I am going back to the similarities again. So in the last similarities, I discussed that the producer can influence the price with varying degree. Okay, therefore it is possible for the producer to increase or decrease the price of commodity. So here we should go through the example of the fast moving consumer goods for the monopolistic market. And fast moving consumer goods refers to the like soap brand, detergent brand, then toothpaste brand, salt. Okay, all fast moving goods. So there also, if all producers come together, then they can increase or decrease the price of the product or commodities very easily. So that was basically, I have revised the example given for the that same similarities. Now again we are coming to the dissimilarities. We have discussed the second dissimilarities, and that was regarding the monopoly form of market structure. There is no difference between the farm and an industry. Okay, where farm is basically referred to as industry. Example, Indian railway, railroad industry. Like Tripura electricity industry, electricity supply industry, Tripura State Electricity Corporation. So Tripura State Electricity Corporation is a organization, farm. So that is basically the industry. But in the monopolistic competition, there are many farms. Like if we talk about the toothpaste brand like Patanjali Datkanti, then Dabur Red, Colgate, Pepsodent, Sensodyne, okay, Anchor, lot of toothpaste brands are there. Okay, and that is basically known as toothpaste industry. Then the third dissimilarity is that a single product is produced under monopoly, while in monopolistic competition the producers differentiated product. Okay, differentiated product means like creating difference between the product in terms of design, color, flavor, packaging, labeling, branding, etc. Now, again, I am going through the dissimilarities between the monopoly and monopolistic competition. This is third dissimilarities, and this third dissimilarities is that a single producer under monopoly need not to create any differentiation. Okay, as they are a single seller. But in the monopolistic competition, producers need to differentiate product, and it is happening. Thus, producer under monopolistic competition are close substitute but not identical, implying that they are differ or different from one another in terms of design, color, size, packaging, labeling. Now, if you take example of toothpaste industry, toothpaste. Okay, so you see, Dabur Red is different from Colgate, Pepsodent, okay, Sensodyne. So this is basically the dissimilarities. Then another dissimilarities is policy of price discrimination is another important dissimilarities. Now, under the policy of price discrimination, the most important distinguishing features of monopoly features of monopoly form the others form of market structure. Others forms of market structure. However, price discrimination is not possible under monopolistic competition because of large number of producers, implying the presence of competitive element in it. Now here, just again, I am re-explaining it from another, perspective. Like this is regarding the price discrimination. Now, price discrimination is possible in the monopoly market structure or by a monopolist, because they, as a single seller, they can discriminate the price. Like Indian Railway, they are charging different price, AC, non-AC, then like this they are discriminating the price. But in the monopolistic competition, discriminating price in a huge way is not possible, because a single seller in the monopolistic market cannot influence the price. If they come together and they fix the price, that is different thing. But like from so many producers, if any producers think that they will discriminate price in a large way, this is not possible in a monopolistic market. This is another dissimilarities. Then another important dissimilarities is that since there are no restriction to entry into the since there are no restriction to entry into the monopolistic market, so marketer can entry exit in the long run. But in a monopoly, what happens? Restrictions are there. Restriction to entry into a monopoly industry. New firms cannot enter. As a result, the monopolist in the long run earns supernormal profits. While under monopolistic competition, since there are no restriction to entry or exit, in the long run, the monopolist competitors or producers will earn normal profit only. Okay, so here, in short, you can keep in mind that in a monopoly firm, due to the restriction, in the long run, monopoly firm or monopolist earn supernormal profit. But in the monopolistic competition, as there is no restriction to entry or exit, so in the long run, the monopolistic competitors or the firms will earn only normal profit. Okay, so this is basically the similarities and dissimilarities between the monopoly and monopolistic competition. And through this, basically, we have understood the comparison between the monopoly and monopolistic market structure. Thank you, everybody.